really. You ever heard of this game that they play with people sometimes? See how far they can push them toward insanity. It's like this, almost like this cult of people that like to fuck with people just to see them fucking squirm, basically. Turn right. Pick up Chris real quick. I'm just kidding. No, don't. For sure. Oh, yeah. And, you said that, just keep going straight. And you said, Shannon got a hold of Chris, right? Okay. And I want to tell her I appreciate that. For sure. Huh? All the way to the light. And turn right. I'll give you gas money. You know where your grandma lives? Yeah, go there. Toward it. I mean, not to your grandma's, but yeah. Why did we come down 18th, you say? Mm. Yeah. Yeah. There's God, that's the fucking mafia king of the fucking least famous recipe. No, 15. I thought you were on 15%. Yeah, okay, well, you guys where your grandma lives and then go over to 15. Yeah, I'm following it. Mm-hmm. You got a message for me? Mm. Do you know Dreamer? You know Dreamer? Dreamer Fair? You don't? TK knows her pretty well. That's how I met TK. Through her. She introduced, or had him call me and gave me a good recommendation. Said I was good people and shit. Everybody thinks I'm good people, I guess, but you know. You do? Well, I mean, you did leave your knife there with me and you never came back for it. I mean, I didn't sell it regardless, but yeah. Yeah, yeah, and I was having it sharpened. but, uh, but what was my point in that? Oh yeah, I am a good person, but, people seem to like me pretty fake about that lately. I used to like really. That's all I really would rave about. Like, what a great person I am. Fucking full of shit. Keep me all the way to keep on. We're going down to a letter ending in the same thing it starts in. Just a letter. Yeah. But we promise for you, you're not going on a wild goose chase here. But are we on 15? Yeah. Okay. Well, it's pretty. Well, at least by Easter, you should go over to 15. We're going to cross to Easter, but then we need to be on 15th Street. Yeah, it's fine. Just keep paying attention on the app, okay? You'll see. I'll call you back. Alright.
they're